Yes. Okay, it is time for English, and we want to remind ourselves of what we did previously. I think previously we talked about when you are going for half term, we talked about tenses, verbs and tenses. Are we together? Where we talked about which types of tenses did we talk about? Let's try to be very fast. How many tenses did we talk about? Huh? 3. Which one and which one? Huh? We talked about? We talked about which tenses? Past tense. Past tense. Present tense. And we also talked about future tense. So, past tense is talking about something which had happened. Are we together? Or something that happened yesterday. When you're talking about it today, you are saying that there are words that you are supposed to use. Then we also look at present tense, what is happening right now, like the teacher is teaching. Then future tense, you are talking of what will happen. Are you together? In most cases, they use the of will and shall. So, in our today's lesson, we are going to look at regular and irregular verbs. Can you say regular and irregular verbs? Again? Regular and irregular verbs. Can you talk like those people who ate food at 4? Regular and irregular verbs. Again? Yes, so we have got words in past tense that ends with ed. Or they ends, you add d, you add ed, you add. Let's say the word add. You add d or you add ed. Are we together? Then there are those words that when you are changing them into past tense, they change their pronunciation. Are you together? That is what we want to learn about. So when we are talking about regular verbs, they form d or ed in the past tense. For example, if you have the word encourage, the word is what? Encourage. The past tense of the word encourage is encouraged. And encouraged. So you add d. Are you together? So such words are what we call regular. Are what we call what? Regular what? Regular verbs. Are what we call regular verbs. Because it had d. Can you give me any word that when you change it into past tense you add d? You raise up your hand. Yes? What? Wash. The word is wash. In past, the past tense of the word wash is washed. So you see here you only add d. Okay, let's tell me some of the words that you add ed in their past tense. Somebody. Watch. Watched. Not watched. Watched. Can you say watched? Can you say watched? So all these are called regular verbs. Then when we're talking of irregular verbs, I've said that irregular verbs, they are changing the what? They are changing the words. They are changing the pronunciation of the word. For example, one like make. Made, sorry. Let's say the word like make. Past tense of the word make is made. You see that? Made. So you get that this word, the way it appears in present tense, when you are changing it into past tense, the pronunciation varies. We have got the word run. When you are running. Are we together? So the past tense of the word run is rain. So all these are called irregular. Irregular what? Irregular verbs. And we've said that verbs are doing words. Verbs are doing words. Verbs are doing words. Now, I'm going to come up with a sentence here on the board. Then from that sentence, you are going to tell me whether it is irregular or regular verbs. You are going to tell me whether it is regular or irregular verb. I washed No. We washed. We washed our hands. We washed our hand yesterday. Class, can you read the word? Again? We washed our hand yesterday. So this one, is it regular verbs or irregular verb? Why are you saying that it is regular verb? Huh? Because the verb here, wash, is you add ed to it. You add, it is in, you add ed. The verb here, the past tense of the verb that you are given in this sentence, you add ed to it. So this shows that this one is in irregular. Just look at this one. Yesterday we broke for lunch. Yesterday we broke for midterm holiday. Yesterday we broke for midterm holiday. Regular or irregular, Yaya? Irregular. Why? Why? Because of the word brought. So, what is the present tense of the word brought? I mean broke. Huh? Bring. Bring or break. That is break. We broke. It means that the present tense is now what? We break. So it is something which had happened. So we say yesterday we broke for midterm holiday. Right, together. So the word broke in this case is the past tense of the word break. So you see that the present tense is break. The past tense is now broke. That is now irregular verbs.